Today is the third day in Italy.
And day 9 of our trip. This is the early morning scene. It's around 6 a.m. in the morning. We had a quick walk to keep our luggage in a place, and then we had to leave to a different destination, and here it is. We just went to the metro. Morning time, it's a busy schedule. Even metros are very
Stepping into the fourth country. This is Vatican City compound, guys. See how long it is.
There was a very long queue in the morning. Since we had a ticket, we managed.
Vatican City is holding only 882 people in this country. It's a Latin-based church where the Pope lives. Egyptian mummies.
We just went through the entire museum, the architecture, painting, design. Oh my god, those were outstanding. I just captured few of the moments over there. You can just have a look on this. Detailed video Roshan will be uploading. Michelangelo,
In those days, he was a very famous person. We had in our history books. Painting. His carvings are made by the famous Michelangelo. We had studied in the history. Now I can see it all in direct. Very good carving. Of the museum. Wherever we see there is some or the other carvings and all those.
Just have a look how beautiful is the background scenes over here.
Is mainly the two lifestyles where when Jesus was there and Babylon was there. These are done in carpets. Oh my god!
This museum was around 3 to 4 hours of tour. There's no words to tell regarding these things here in Rome. This was an outstanding one.
Mother Mary. I have no words to tell, guys, because these paintings are antique of ancient passage over here.
16.
Just you can walk this way, this way, this way, this way. We are in streets of Vatican. We just saw the museum exploded and we are on way to the Basilica of St. Peter's. We are in St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican. Wow. This Vatican city is only up to 121 acres of land only. A very small country it is. And also the people living here are only 828 people. We are so much blessed to be here in Vatican, where we have a main head of all the church, that is Pope. An amazing view, guys. We are blessed today to be here in Vatican City, to see the church here in Vatican. Bells are ringing. Door of St. Peter's, and it is open only once in 25 years, and today the door is open, wide open. We are so happy and we are so blessed. Within 25 years, this only door open, and today it is full open, and we are so happy we are in the right. Only ഡോറിൻ്റെ കാര്യം അറിഞ്ഞത് ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോഴാണ്. ഞാൻ സ്വപ്നത്തിലും വിചാരിച്ചിട്ടില്ല, പക്ഷേ 25 ഇയേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ജൂബിലി ഈ കൊല്ലം തന്നെ ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിൽ ത്രൂ എൻട്രി കിട്ടിയത്. No words to tell regarding this St. Peter's Church. പോപ്പുള്ള ചർച്ച് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി എന്ത് ഭംഗിയെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇതൊക്കെ കാണാനുള്ള യോഗം ഉള്ളത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്.
ഇവിടുത്തെ പള്ളിയുടെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്തെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ 2 ഓൾട്ടർ ആണുള്ളത്. ഒന്ന് പോപ്പ് ഒലി മാസ് ചെല്ലുന്ന സ്ഥലവും പിന്നെ and this is the second altar. We attended a full Holy Mass. You can see there was an excellent choir. Moreover, I am attaching all the videos that is being covered in my phone because I don't want to miss any of these. This would be a documentary which will be there in our diary forever. Full churches with these domes. So beautiful. Holy water. Just have a look regarding the interior of the church. I'm attached some portions of the interior, pictures, statues and all.
Here, Pope addresses the gathering here. This is where the people all stand.
Really one last time.
Really last goodbye from here. That is St. Peter's Basilica. How do you feel, Roshu? We are blessed, right?
We already got blessed.
We are blessed. We finished Holy Mass. We are
1 hour mass and it was a great time here.
great day. Fully blessed more than anything.
We then went to the nearby McDonald's to take takeaway. Then we went to try an Italian pasta. There was 2 big line. So this pasta is called as spaghetti cacio e pepe.
Yummy pasta. Once we are in Italy and how come we are not eating pasta? So then we tried a pasta in streets of Vatican. We are eating. Not only us.
Then we told a very good bye to the Rome, Vatican, and we left Vatican country. After 3 to 4 hours of journey in train, we finally reached a city called Salerno, that is in Italy itself. Today our stay is here. So this was the day today. We had a long walk. We covered Vatican. We had explored Italy, Rome, and finally we are in Salerno. So until next time guys, stay tuned for more videos. Roslyn Diaries ending up the day of 10. Bye bye.